Welcome back, fellow viewers. Are you tired of lugging around heavy vacuum cleaners that make cleaning a chore? Well, you've come to the right place. Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we bring you the best of the best in handheld vacuum cleaners. We understand the struggle of finding the perfect vacuum that not only cleans efficiently but also fits your lifestyle. That's why our channel is dedicated to providing you with daily, high-quality videos that will help you discover the ultimate solution for your cleaning needs. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to the hassle of traditional vacuums and say hello to convenience and efficiency, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our growing community of cleaning enthusiasts. Let's dive right into the world of handheld vacuum cleaners and make cleaning a breeze. Number 1. Dyson Omni Glide. This fits squarely into the category of a handheld that is also a stick vac, so if you are absolutely determined to not have that functionality, please make your way to entry number 2 on this list. The Omni Glide is a worthy, if slightly pricey, winner of this category however, as it serves up excellent cleaning power. That's not only due to the motor, which provides more suction than its relatively sedate 50 watts of power would suggest, but also the excellent cleaning heads. You've got the omnidirectional fluffy head that gives the device its name, and is superb for cleaning larger areas, and a mini motorized tool that's perfect for upholstery, stairs and vehicles. The combination tool, a mix of a brush tool for dusting and a crevice tool for crevices, is less good, but I've seen worse. Overall, this premium cleaner is the best handheld vac we've tested. Thanks to the omnidirectional fluffy head, it's also usable as a very capable full-size stick vac. It's specifically for hard floors but can also do a decent job on smallish rugs that are not too deep pile. Number 2. Shark Wand Vac 2.0 Blue Jean WV270 UK. This stitchy handheld vac is perfect for smaller vacuuming duties. Granted, it has one of the smallest bins of any vac on the market, just 0.1 liters, but then again it is only 39 centimeters in length. Of course, this means it should only be used for those little emergencies for which it was designed, like collecting dust off the mantelpiece, ash around the fireplace, crumbs on the kitchen floor, etc. Since the bin is so small, you will be required to empty it quite regularly and even give the little pull-out corrugated paper filter a bash against the inside of your dustbin to clear any remaining dust. Its 15-minute running time, meanwhile, is quite enough for most tasks you would use it for. Despite its limitations, a more handy vac is hard to imagine, because having a model of this size to hand means you don't have to lift out the hefty cordless stick vac, or worse, the corded vac, when little mishaps occur. The Shark Wand Vac is much more powerful than you'd think, and the suction ramps up considerably when you tap the boost button. Honestly, for sheer convenience, this magic hand vac is a little titan. Number 3. Shark Wand Vac 2-in-1 WV362 UK. This handsome-looking shark is, like the Dyson at number 1, both a lightweight handheld and a more widely useful stick vac. Not only that, but it comes with one of Shark's patented anti-hair wrap cleaning heads, as well as a dusting brush and a small powered tool. Battery life of 16 minutes at most, more like 6 to 8 minutes if you're using one of the motorized heads and in boost mode, which surely most cordless vac users are most of the time, isn't amazing. However, it's also by no means terrible, and what's really impressive here is that you actually get 2 batteries in this package. That's very good VFM, if you ask me, but if you want to get the price even lower, you can opt for the WV361 UK, which is the same great vac but with only 1 battery included. The downsides to this dual-purpose Wand Vac are that it makes a rather shrill noise when doing its work, and has a bin that is considerably more annoying to empty than Dyson's one. Given how much cheaper it usually is, you may find you can live with those minor shortcomings though. The handy docking station is another solid plus point. Number 4. Black Plus Decker Dustbuster. The Dustbuster Advanced Clean is a cordless handheld vacuum, providing you with freedom of movement and eliminating the hassle of tangled cords during your cleaning tasks. It features a 16-volt lithium-ion battery that delivers strong suction power and longer runtime, allowing you to clean multiple areas without frequent recharging. The vacuum utilizes cyclonic action technology, which spins dust and debris away from the filter, maintaining the suction power and keeping the filter clean for efficient performance. It comes with a slim nozzle that rotates, making it easier to access tight spaces and hard-to-reach areas like corners, crevices, and in between furniture. The Dustbuster Advanced Clean is a bagless vacuum, equipped with a transparent dirt bowl that lets you see when it's full. Emptying the bowl is a simple one-step process, allowing for quick and hygienic dirt disposal. The vacuum features a washable filter that helps to maintain optimal performance and extends the lifespan of the device. Regularly cleaning the filter ensures consistent suction power. Number 5. Tinko Pure One S12. Although you may not have heard of the brand, Tinko is fast becoming a major force in the floor cleaning arena, and this mighty wide assemblage of high-tech wizardry is the Chinese company's flagship cordless stick. You certainly get your money's worth with this futuristic piece of kit, since it comes with 2 batteries, 2 main brush heads, plus an assortment of 5 smaller attachments, including one that is designed specifically for cleaning the filter. If you like lots of tools with your vac, then this one's your nirvana, my friend. But that's just the half of it, because there's a whole lot of science going on under the attractive matte shell of the S12's admittedly weighty hand unit. Where other sensor and processor-based models like the Dyson V11 and Roborock H6 monitor battery usage and the type of surface the brush head is on, this one goes even further to include information on whether the brush roller is tangled or if an air channel is blocked with debris.